Yeti Kids! Hey there, learners! It's me, Yeti Confetti. And this episode's big idea is counting equal groups.
Yay!
Equal groups are the first step into learning multiplication, and it means having the same number of objects in each group to help understand how multiplication works. Now let's join our friends Curious Chloe and Sunglow in the garden, where they'll use equal groups to help them harvest some yummy vegetables. Let's go! Yeti!
Hi, Curious Chloe here, and today I'm out gardening with my pal Sunglow. We're planting lots of yummy vegetables in our garden.
Yes, we have carrots, tomatoes, and eggplants.
Sunglow, it's getting so hard to keep track of all our vegetables.
What should we do, Chloe?
Oh, I know. Let's organize our vegetables into equal groups. Look at me, Sunglow. I've organized 3 groups of 2 carrots. Do you know how many carrots that is in total?
If you have 3 groups of 2 carrots, then that's like adding 2 together 3 times. So 3 groups of 2 carrots each would give you 6 carrots total.
Yay, that's right, Sunglow. Now let's organize our tomatoes. Now, let's see. We have 2 groups of 5 tomatoes. Do you know how many tomatoes there are altogether, Sunglow?
Well, if we have 2 groups of 5, then it's just like adding 5 together 2 times. So 2 groups of 5 tomatoes would be equal to 10 tomatoes.
Nice job, Sunglow. Now let's move on to our eggplants.
Ooh, looks like we have 4 groups of 3 eggplants. Do you know how many eggplants we have in total, Chloe?
I know this one. If we have 4 groups of 3 eggplants, then that's like adding 3 together 4 times. So 4 groups of 3 eggplants would be equal to 12 eggplants.
Wow, great job, Chloe, and that's a bunch of eggplants.
Yay, we did it! Thanks to using equal groups, we were able to keep track of all of our vegetables in our vegetable garden. Thank you, everyone, for your help. See you next time.
Yeti! Welcome back! Hope you had lots of fun in the vegetable garden with Chloe and Sunglow. Today, we learned about equal groups and how we can use them to find the answer to multiplication problems. Great job, learners! Keep practicing with equal groups, and you'll be a multiplication master in no time. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. Goodbye, learners!